We got some new toys. We got a Osmo Mobile 8P advanced tracking setup and a DJI Mic Mini 2 as well. Today is just a little unboxing to see what you get and see how they kind of work on a fundamental basis with a kind of full kind of as I use it review maybe following in the future. But obviously you guys will see the footage on the channel and make a judgment for yourselves. This is just a lapel microphone. It's not that interesting. We'll maybe look at the Mic Mini 2 later. What we're really interested today is the smartphone stabilizer that it is. The thing that caught my eye with this, and this is not sponsored, I bought this with my own money. I'm way too small for any of that nonsense. This can track objects, people, cats, pets, all that kind of bollocks, but apparently objects. And I want it to track my remote control car so I can have stabilized, tracked footage while I'm driving it. And that would be pretty awesome. So that's its challenge, and we'll get to that in a bit. But right now, we just want to see what you get in the box, and is it maybe a good product at all? Right, let's have a look. So, I did crack the seal. I'm sorry, it's not real. Fake YouTuber. You get, I assume, some cables in there, and this is the unit itself in the goodie bag. Let's have a look. Let's get it out. It's a nice snug fit. Oh, there we go. Let's put that guy down over there for now. Oh, look, it's got a nice Osmo brand on it, just in case anyone was confused. See what else you get in the box. You get some manuals, some QR codes, and some more QR codes. Oh, and my favorite, a nice tasty snack for later. That's it in the box. I don't see anything else in there. Oh, no. Floor noises. Quick start guide, probably might read that. Manual. No one cares. And this is just my delightful USBs, I'm sure. Oh no, I've gone in all the wrong way. It's a weird little shape, isn't it? It's quite nice. What do we get? USB-C to C and USB C to C. Well, at least there's no micro USBs. That's good. Good riddance to you. Right, let's have a look at the main event here. Here he is. What a handsome lad. Actually, I'm not that keen on this grey, to be honest. This grey is very it's very 2009, isn't it? When you say it's a bit, it's not 90s beige, but it's not exactly like contemporary black or, white. It's just bleh, in the middle, right? Okay, let's have a look. Let's see what it does. I've never used this before, so let's just see. I guess you turn it on with the power button. Oh, the screen's come on. And I guess you lift it up. Oh, he's gone red. Lift it up like that. Yep. Oh, we're in business, and the lights have come on. Immediately, I can see that is, stabilizing things. As I move around, that's trying to stay nice and level. Hell yeah! What does the trigger do? Does it make it less? Who knows? Hey, that looks cool though. What we're gonna have to do though is steal our B cam and put that phone in here and see what we've got. Oh, it crashed into itself. That's good. So we've got this FrameTap. So you've got the multifunctional module, which is gonna be really hard. It's looking down, and I'm trying to show it up at the camera. It's never gonna go up there, is it? There we go. Multifunction module. So it's got this light on it, it's got this camera, which is how it looks at things and tracks things as it crashes into itself again. And it also has this FrameTap device here, which I believe comes off. And when this is free, this you can use to control what the camera's looking at and do little rotations and pans and tilts with it. Let's get an iPhone in here and see what we are looking at. Here we have a nice little iPhone 12 mini. It's cute and adorable and tiny. This is my B-cam phone, for any of you interested. Is it so small that it doesn't fit? Oh, no, it fits. Hold on, Osmo. Oh, my God. Steady now, boy. I've put you in the wrong way around. Oh, yeah, look, it does actually say put the camera at that end. Completely my bad. Like that. The camera is in. Let's turn the device back on. Yes. We are in. We are looking. I mean, it feels pretty good to me. Rotate 180. That looks great. You can rotate it back so you're looking up at you. Now, that would be the smart, slick way to say, oh, that's the multifunction module. That's the camera. You can do the rotate 180. But having these touchscreen controls means you have so much more control over everything that's going on, because you can actually, mirror the phone here. You can bring this up from the bottom, and you can have a whole bunch of control down here. And you can do different brightness and Bluetooth connections and settings here. And just having a screen means you can do menus within menus. You're not just limited to this one little dial. Let's have a look. Is that what he's doing? Yeah, look. And that is, look. This lets you like rotate and adjust the camera, which is really cool. Like that. And let's just have a little look as well. I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's got this as well. So you can pop this out as well. So this is kind of my plan, is I'm going to have it kind of sat filming the car, and then it's going to auto track to the car with this setup. So it can be looking at the car and following it around. Look, now it's in like just go around in circles mode. That's great for you, buddy. Really happy for you. It looks cool. It looks really nice. It feels quite nice in the hand. It's obviously very comfortable to use. I need to get everything paired up and have a look. This is just a very quick little unboxing just to see what you get in the box. As I said, we'll be doing a full kind of review later just to kind of get an idea for how this thing actually tracks the car itself.